Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G84 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice merge. To activate Hey Google feature, click on the switcher, and after that, if you want Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model. So click to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then just tap to next, not now, and when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.